Unlock the future of AI with Google's powerful Gemini API. Our journey begins with understanding how to gain access to the Gemini API. This involves navigating to the Google AI Studio or your preferred developer console, where you'll find the necessary steps to obtain your API key. Think of this key as your unique pass to unlock Gemini's incredible intelligence. Next, we'll dive into integration. This is where you connect the Gemini API to your existing projects. You'll learn how to incorporate its capabilities seamlessly. Whether you're building a chatbot, a content creation tool, or a complex data analysis platform, we'll highlight how to send prompts and receive intelligent responses, transforming your applications with AI. The real magic happens in implementation. This is where we explore the diverse ways you can leverage Gemini's potential. We'll showcase examples of how developers are using it to create personalized user experiences, automate tasks, generate creative content, and extract insights from vast amounts of data. The possibilities are truly limitless. With the Gemini API, you're not just building applications. You're building the future. Explore its power and start your AI-driven innovation. Today, visit the official documentation to learn more Gemini API AI development.